What's going on, guys? My name is Matt. I'm going to help you automate your fitness business. Now, today I'm going to be going over a specific funnel. It's the Instagram to booking funnel. So it's not your traditional web funnel. I'm going to show you how to set it up from start to finish. And basically, it's for you if you make a lot of content. So if you make a lot of content and you want to use some automation to set up your bookings for you, then we're going to be going through that today. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is obviously go high level account and go into settings and then integrations. And you're going to connect your Instagram account. Now I'm going to, oops, I took a screenshot. I'm not going to connect mine because it's already connected to a different account, so it won't let me, but we're going to jump straight in. So a few things you need set up before we even get started. You need to be a user on the account. So I'm just going to check if this dummy account has a user on it. And it does, Matt Big Dog. All right, cool. And so we need a user and we need to create a calendar. So we're going to be processing bookings through a calendar. And the way that we can do that is by going into calendars and settings and creating a calendar. Now, I always use a round robin calendar. It just gives you the biggest flexibility in Go High Level when it comes to bookings. So we're going to call this one Matt's Coaching. And the team member is going to be Matt Big Dog. And we're going to just call it Big Dog Matt. And meeting duration can be, we're just going to have this one be a triage call. So 15 minutes, Monday through Friday, availability, great. And that is pretty much good for that one. All right, cool. So we've got our calendar. And the way that this is going to work is we're going to use an AI module inside Go High Level to basically set these appointments for us. So the way that it's going to work is they will have, we'll have like a DM me coaching, and like that's their call to action. And then when that is replied to from the person who is interested of coaching, it'll kick this bot off. So first thing you need to do, go automations, and then we're going to start from scratch. Now I'm going to, instead of using Instagram as the trigger, I'm just going to use SMS, but in this situation you would use Instagram. I just don't have it connected on this account, so I can't do it. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to search for the SMS trigger, customer replied trigger. So customer replied. This is the same one for Instagram, but I'll just show you the little filter change that you need to do here. So all you need to do is go filters and then reply channel, and you need to select where it came from. So you can do this on any platform. And interesting enough, they've added in WhatsApp here, which is, oh no, that's always been there. But you may not be able to do this on WhatsApp. So you would select Instagram DM. I'm doing SMS for the time being. And we're going to say that the message that it contains is our keyword. So it contains phrase, and we're going to say coaching 25. Right? And that's what they're going to have messaged me in order for this workflow to begin. So we're going to just give this a quick name. So we're going to call it Booking Bot. And our next step here is going to be kicking off our AI. So if we go appointment, booking conversations AI bot, this is where I guess the money happens. So if you have a look here, this is basically a wrapper for ChatGPT. And what it does is it basically goes through the standard questions that someone might have, getting them actually booked on a call. So we're going to select the calendar match coaching, and it says personality. You are a bot tasked to assist customers. Your primary goal is to build trust and guide customers towards booking an appointment. You cannot help with appointment cancellations, rescheduling, blah, 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 blah. You can only create new bookings. So additional instructions, and this is where your specific instructions are going to go. And we're going to put in some ones here as well. So conversation guidelines, start the conversation by nudging towards booking an appointment. Okay, I'm going to change this by saying thank you for messaging coaching 25. Sounds like you're keen on getting started. Is that right? And what we are then going to do, we're going to give it a list of questions for it to ask, and always ask before they actually book the appointment. So what we're going to do is going to say rules to follow. Always ask the following questions. 1. What is your main goal right now? How long have you been trying to achieve this goal? What is stopping you from getting there? What is your best contact email? Contact email. And 5, what is your best phone number? And 6, and finally, what is your full name? Cool. So what this is going to do is going to ask these questions every single time. The cool thing with this bot is it acknowledges when people have sent you information and updates their contact inside Go High Level automatically. So if they say, my name's Matt, it'll update their contact field straight away. If they say my phone number is this, it'll update their contact straight away, which is so cool. And I didn't see any documentation of this previously. So we've got this here. This is a very simple one. You would obviously build this out significantly further. But the next one is maximum messages limit before it goes to an appointment not booked. I'm going to say 15. Timeout value, it's going to wait 24 hours before it doesn't continue. And the channel is going to be SMS. It's so interesting. They've added in WhatsApp. This is cool. It doesn't normally do that. So don't let the bot send confirmation message. So basically what this is asking is if it confirms the appointment, do you want the bot to say, great, you're booked in for blah, 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 blah. But we're going to just leave that off for the minute. So wait time before responding, 10 seconds. I'm going to say 30 seconds. And we're going to save that action. Now, we get a couple of things. This is going to basically work on itself until it either achieves the outcome of timeout, appointment was booked, or they didn't want an appointment. So this is just going to keep going and going and going, which again saves you a lot of work setting something like this up if you have to do like a bunch of if and else statements like you would have to do on a different platform. It's pretty cool. So what we're going to do here is if appointment was booked, we're going to add a tag that says lead and like booked call, add new tag. There we go. My bad. And appointment not booked, I would say add tag as well. And we'd probably put like manual follow up, and then add new tag. And we're going to save this. One thing I will note, if you have this running, you should be really careful about using Instagram as like a personal page. Because if you like have this trigger going off consistently and then you like jump in and start messaging people, it'll confuse the bot. So it's like you kind of have to like take that with a grain of salt. So what you would do here, so now they're booked in for their appointment, which is basically your triage call. You need like a confirmation that they've actually booked in. So what you can do here is we need a second one that is basically running off the appointment confirmation. So our trigger here is customer booked appointment. So customer booked appointment. And in our filters, it's in calendar, Matt's coaching. And what we're going to do is we're going to send an SMS to them saying booking confirmed. And you would probably put where the location is. So if it's expect a call from this number, cool, and you would probably make that a lot more professional. You'd probably add in a wait step here. So it's like wait. You want to do the advanced window. So, you want to do the event and the time option. So wait until 24 hours before the appointment or wait 5 minutes before the appointment and send a message. So in this situation, we're going to do 1 day before the appointment and we're going to say SMS 24-hour reminder for booking with Matt's coaching, and that Matt's coaching, that will send a message to that person saying, you know, we've got a message, you got an appointment in 24 hours. We'd then do another wait step, and then it would be like 1 hour before. And in this situation, you would send an SMS again, but I'm going to add something else to it as well. So 1 hour till And then the next one, I'm actually going to add an internal message so you don't miss the appointment. So internal notification. So send internal notification, type SMS to user, particular user or custom number. I usually just do custom number and you put in your phone number here. That's going to throw an error likely. Yeah, cool. Let's just see if that saves. No, it won't. And you would just put in reminder or like booking in 1 hour with this person. So it'd be like contact name, contact full name. But that's all you essentially need to do. Now I'm going to press save. It might give me an error. Yeah, cool. So now what we have is the ability for you to turn that all live and on your Instagram, put that keyword out to the world and people will start interacting with your bot and booking you calls. So then you would go into calendars here every day and you would look at, how many appointments do I have booked? How many people are ready to go? This is just obviously the quick and easy version of it. It can be so much more complicated than this. However, I think it would be super efficient for you guys who are getting a lot of lead volume and you want to just like process and book as many calls as possible. So hope you guys found this valuable. I will speak to you again soon. If you need like a guide on how to automate your business, then follow the link below. I've got a couple that will help you. Bye.